Welcome to KlensecRent, Ghana's verified short stay platform. Here's how to create your tenant account in just a few minutes. Step 1. Visit KlensecRent.com from any browser. Step 2. Click Sign in the top right corner, then choose Create Account from the drop-down. Step 3. Fill in your personal details, your full name, email address, an optional Ghana phone number, and a password of at least 8 characters. Click Continue. Step 4. Verify your identity. Choose either Ghana card or passport. Enter your ID number, expiry date, and upload clear photos of your document. Your information is securely stored and used only for verification. Step 5. Review your details on the confirmation screen, agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, and click Create Account. You're almost in. Here's what happens after you submit. First, check your email for the verification link. Click the link to verify your account. Then sign in and start browsing verified apartments. Book via mobile money or card. Your payment is held in escrow until check-in. Check in, and your stay is protected by the KlensecRent guarantee. Get started today at KlensecRent.com.